We've been homesteading for over 2.5 years now, growing our own food, building off of our land, and raising up our own animals. Welcome to Mount Isidore Homestead. In this video, we will be showing you all the animals we have, the projects we've completed and are working on, and explaining the purpose of this channel. We can start at the lower pasture. Now this whole area is just under 2 acres, and when we moved in back in 2022, it was nothing more than a grassy field. Now we have our pregnant cow, 6 turkeys, 2 dogs, and our Nigerian dwarf goat, Buck. The first big project we had to do to bring all these animals on this pasture was perimeter fencing. We had to put all these T-posts in, and then we had to unravel and attach these thick rolls of metal wire fence. We went with the 4x4 inch square fencing so that it could hold cows, goats, dogs, and turkeys. The second big project was building this milking barn. You can see it still needs doors, windows, and gables. This barn took less physical effort than the fencing, but more technical effort and knowledge to make sure it was sturdy and solid. But why am I showing you all this? Well, because we had never done anything like this before. We only ever had a few cats when we lived back in Pennsylvania. And in the last 2.5 years, we've built up this entire homestead, and you can too. Now let's head up the driveway. This is the big garden. It was originally all grass up here, but this was the first big project for the back of the property. We had 2 chicken coops already when we bought the property, but we had to add these chicken runs and fencing because we wanted our chickens to be free range. Now here is the backwoods. These pictures show you what this looked like a 1.5 years ago. Overgrown, more weeds and thistles than we knew what to do with. But you might be thinking, that's so much brush clearing, I don't ever have that much time. And neither did we. It was the need to clear all this brush that got us into Nigerian dwarf goats. These goats ate their way through everything, thorns and thistles, brush and shrub, and actually one of their favorite fruits is poison ivy. Thankfully, this back pasture already had some perimeter fencing. A bit worse for wear, but it keeps the goats in. Me and my younger brother added in all this fencing just this past summer. Besides the goats and chickens, we also have some rabbits that we've been raising for meat. The current projects we're working on include this lean-to for winter milking, a winter shelter for the cow, a back access road to the woods, and a zip line for the kiddos. With all that being said, if you are a beginning or seasoned homesteader, I hope this channel inspires, informs, and encourages you. If you want short, informative homestead lifestyle videos, I encourage you to subscribe and put on notifications. I plan on uploading at least one video every Thursday at noon. Welcome to Mount Isidore Homestead.